Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I love that saying. I've been saying that for a long time now. Anyway, guys, I want to update you guys on something, what I just found out and what I should be doing and what I wanted to do, and what I just found out I do not have much time to do what it is that I want to do. Okay, what I'm talking about is, guys, I'm almost at 20,000 subscribers, right? Yes. To me, that is a huge deal. That is a big deal. I have worked hard to get there, guys. I'm logged on. I'm doing everything I need to do. I try to respond to every comment. I just doing everything I'm supposed to do, and it's moving fairly well for me, guys. Yes, I'm a little ecstatic. Yes, I am. So with that being in mind, I want to do a giveaway. That's right, guys. I see other guys doing this, so I figured I would participate. Now, I'm a mechanic. Everybody know that. And most of the people that watch me are some form of a mechanic, whether it be do-it-yourself or some guys are actually in the field working, okay? Actual mechanics, okay? Actual people that go to a shop daily and work on cars. Yes, I love it, okay? Now, with that being known and being said, I want to do a giveaway for basically everybody. I was gonna give away 2 gifts, but I decided to do 3. So I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get 3 gifts. Okay, what I'm gonna use, guys, get this. I'm gonna use, y'all know I'm a big advocate of yes, I earn revenue from YouTube now. It's not a lot, but it's great, whatever it is, just for making videos. I'm cool with that. Okay, yes, I will use some of the revenue stream I just got a check from Google or YouTube or whatever, and I'm gonna use some of that money to purchase some tools to do a giveaway. Yes, guys, without you guys, this wouldn't even be possible. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 20,000 subscriber giveaway. All right, let me get on my channel right now, guys. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Now, I'm currently at 19,845. Okay, I say 2-3 days. What's the day? Thursday. Yes, guys, y'all see that? Y'all can't see the bottom of my computer. It is 2:05 a.m. Ooh, it's actually Thanksgiving. All right, so with that being known and said, you can see I'm at 19,845. The day is Thursday. I do a live stream Thursdays and Sunday. I'm gonna do a live stream tomorrow, but I want to upload this video in the morning or before I go eat tomorrow on Thanksgiving. Okay, now what I'm talking about in this video is the giveaway. All right, first of all, let's do this, guys. Let's go to let's scroll down here right quick. We're gonna go to settings. I want to turn something back on so you guys can see this. Where is it? How you get there? Channel, advanced settings. Okay, channel visibility. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Display the number of people subscribed to your channel. I had it off. Okay, it is now back on and save. Okay, now what I'm gonna do with that information is allow you guys to see that. Okay, like I say, today is Thursday. I assume maybe by Sunday I will be at 20,000 subscribers, and that's when I will do the giveaway. Okay, the giveaway. What I want to do, guys, I want to give away 3 pieces of tool. One for my long time communicators, the veterans that's been on the channel for a long time, and I communicate with all the time. And I want to do one for the new subscribers. Okay, yes, the new subscribers. There are subscribers. I think I average 60 or 70 a day. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do, guys, for keywords. We're talking about keywords. This video here that I'm going to upload tomorrow on Thanksgiving, I want to give y'all some keywords to follow. All right, let's look at some, guys. The videos, these are the current videos I do. I just uploaded this today. I'm basically averaging at least 1 or 2 a day, and it's way too many for me to keep up with and count. But I want to show y'all something about these videos, okay? Because it's pretty interesting. Let's go to the screen here. Most popular. All these are new, so they haven't latched on yet. Most popular videos. Here's the videos I did. I don't know, 3. This says 2 years ago. I think it's more like 3. Water pump video. Language was bad. Everything was bad, but it is killing it. Okay, these were all my revenue stream is coming from the older videos. I got 174K on this video right here that I'm talking about, a water pump on a PT Cruiser. Yes, a lot of people, YouTube has put that one up there in the ranks. So if you search water pump test, this video will pop up first. I love YouTube for this. This is another old, all of these are old videos, at least 1 or 2 years old. So guys, y'all know what that tells me? The videos that I'm doing now, this time next year, those will be up there. And you know what's real neat about it? These right here are not going anywhere. They will still be out there being watched. So it can't do nothing but grow more and more and more. Okay. So yes, man, these videos are killing it. This is my revenue stream right here, guys. 37,000 on a computer video I did on a nag transmission. I remember that. Okay, look, PT Cruiser's videos are killing it. It's a lot of PT Cruiser owners out there. I remember doing this video at 22K. Okay, so but my big these 100K videos, both of these are PT Cruiser. It's a transmission. These are almost about to cross 100. So these videos are doing well. And looking at my analytics, I can see and tell that that's where the bulk of my revenue stream is coming from. Okay, I love it. All of these old videos, they're over 10K. The newer stuff, yes, they're gonna latch on fairly quickly, I want to assume. But guys, all right, let's do it. Let's talk. Okay. The raffle. I found the website. I got with my buddy Caper. He had a suggestion. I found another suggestion. I'm gonna use a computer generated piece of software. Okay. Now it's all about keywords. So let me explain something to you. Keywords. Okay. To my veterans. Veterans. Who is the veterans? A lot of. I don't want to call when I call names, I miss somebody and they get upset. So I'm not going to do that. Everybody that I communicate with, I don't know, weekly, daily basis, especially in the streams. For you guys, I want the keyword to be real quick. Real quick. As simple as that. So in the comment section of this video, just what's up, JT? Something simple. And then at the very end, I want you to type real quick. Okay, that's simple. So when I go to this software, and I put in that keyword real quick, it's gonna and just pick a random guy off of the page or off of the video, and that will be the winner. Okay, that is the most fairest way I can come up with, because the computer don't know who you guys are, and the computer don't know, and the computer don't care. Now, newcomers, you guys, we got 3 days. I'm gonna do this Sunday, guys. So newcomers, new subscribers, new likes, everything like that. I got a prize for you guys. I want you to write, what's up, JT? Just start off with something simple. And at the end, I want you to write, I subscribed real quick. Yeah, I like that. I subscribed real quick. Okay. Keep in mind the keywords, it's sensitive now. So after your initial comment, period, and then write, I subscribed real quick. That is no commas in between, none of that. And subscribed is, with the ED on it. SUBSCRIBED. Okay. I subscribed real quick. And I'm going to put that in as a keyword, and it's going to search and give me a random winner. Okay. So I don't want the odds to be in one favor or the other, but I'm going to go get some electric tools, guys. Electric tools with the batteries, with the case, with the chargers and everything like that. So I want to give you a complete setup. I don't want to give you a electric tool that you have to go buy the battery for. So I want to do it simple as that and keep it simple. All right. So guys, remember on this video, comment below. If everybody already know, and guys, you have to be subscribed to the channel, by the way. Okay. Now I don't want to have to go hunt you down, go to your page and look at your subscription list and see if you subscribe. Oh, please don't make me do that. Okay. I want this to be as fair as possible. But yes, I'm doing a 20,000 K subscriber giveaway. I love it. Where is it at? It's on here now. So it has now reached my page, my subscription. Yes, you can see it right here. Okay, so if you pull up my page, 19.8 right now. I suspect this time Sunday, it will be at 20K, and I will do the raffle giveaway then. Okay, so I expect a lot of comments on this video. Again, remember, at the end of your initial comments can be whatever you want. It can even be a question. I will answer it. Okay, if I know the answer. All right, I will proceed with answering the question. But please, at the end of your comment or question, Just type real quick. That is the keyword. The keyword is important, guys. You got to get that right, or the algorithm on the software will not pick it up. And my new guys, please write, I subscribed real quick. I love it. Oh, I love it. Should have thought of this a while ago. All right, that's for my 20K. Now, what I'm gonna do, I ain't gonna even add that to this video. I'm going to Home Depot or either Lowe's. I got a credit card for each one of them, but it's the business account. This is now considered a business, guys. So, I mean, hey, thanks to you guys, man. Hey, this is real talk. Thanks to you guys, you commenters, you everybody that interact with JT Online Mechanic Tips. Okay, Capers, Tim's, the Tom. See, I'll leave somebody out again, so I'm not gonna do that. Everybody, I appreciate it, guys. Oh, I'm at 11 minutes, so I'm in this video right here, but we're gonna do Home Depot, guys. We're gonna do Lowe's. We're gonna do Home Depot. They got Milwaukee. I don't know what tools I'm gonna wind up with, but I'll decide when I get there. But I'm gonna make sure I get y'all some good stuff, because we using the revenue stream from the channel. See, what I do is take the revenue stream and put it back into the channel. That way I can buy better equipment. I already had this camera, but I got a new one of those fancy Chris Fix camera that I think he used. He won't tell us what he used, but I got something where I can use both of my hands and film with good lighting and good audio. So I'll be able to, do all that good stuff. So guys, that's all I have on this video. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Don't forget, real quick. And I subscribed real quick. I'm expecting some new subscribers out of this also. I don't know how I'm gonna feel, man. I might even throw in another gift, and just depends on what I come up with at Home Depot. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.